diagnostic and surgical devices constitute an essential pillar within biomedical technologies, integrating tools designed for both the early detection of pathologies and the optimization of therapeutic procedures. In this context, medical devices encompass a wide range of healthcare products used in humans for diagnostic, monitoring, and treatment purposes, contributing decisively to informed clinical decision-making and the improvement of healthcare quality. Specifically, diagnostic methods include in vitro techniques, based on the analysis of biological samples using reagents, kits, calibrators, or automated systems, and imaging methods such as ultrasound, radiography, and computed tomography, which allow for the visualization of anatomical structures and the detection of functional or structural alterations in real time. Furthermore, surgical planning and the development of biomodels using 3D printing have significantly transformed contemporary surgical practice. Thanks to additive manufacturing, it is possible to generate anatomical prototypes for visualization or simulation that faithfully reproduce the geometry and, in some cases, the mechanical properties of living tissue, thus facilitating preoperative preparation and reducing intraoperative risks. Likewise, three-dimensional biomodels allow for the design and customization of prostheses and implants, optimizing time and resources. In parallel, robotic-assisted surgery has established a minimally invasive intervention model characterized by greater precision, improved maneuverability, and standardized procedures.